Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. We're making chicken juje kebabs today, and this is a very nice grilled recipe. You can just marinate the chicken the way I'm going to show you, and you can barbecue them. Also, you can use oven, because for this recipe I'm gonna grill them in the oven, not in my barbecue. So this recipe is how we're gonna make chicken juje kebabs in the oven, and I'll show you the marination process. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by making saffron water first. What saffron water is, it's actually, we're gonna add saffron to hot boiling water, and it's gonna make a very nice rich orangish yellow color solution that we're gonna use to marinate our chicken in, and that's gonna give that chicken a nice vibrant yellow or orangish color. I'm starting by using half a cup of boiling water, and to this I'm gonna add in some saffron threads. If you have saffron which is in the powdered form, that's the best, but I didn't have it in the powder form. I'm taking about this much, which is even less than a quarter teaspoon, and these are saffron threads. I'm gonna empty this into the boiling water here, and we will just let this infuse. As you can see, I've already added it, and it's just settling in the bottom and it's just blooming. So we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and until then we can prepare the chicken. I'm gonna set this aside, and I'm going to start with the chicken, which is 2 pounds, and this is chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh for this recipe also, and I have cut it up into big chunks like this, like I would say 2-3 inch pieces, because when we put it on the skewers and when we grill them, they're gonna eventually shrink a little. So that's why I have them in this big size pieces. This marinade that I'm gonna make today, we'll keep it in the fridge overnight. So I'm gonna make this recipe tomorrow. I let this marinate overnight so the chicken is more flavorful. I will be using skewers, the wooden skewers, and I don't want them to burn in my oven. That's why what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a big container, and I'm going to put some of my skewers inside this, just like that. So what this is going to do is, when I use my skewers tomorrow in the oven, if they are all soaked in water overnight, they won't burn. You can use the same procedure if you're doing it on fire, like barbecue. The saffron water is ready, and I'm going to add this into the chicken so the chicken can get that yellow color. I'll just mix it up and set it aside for a few minutes. So I'm gonna leave it like this for about 10-15 minutes. After that, I'm going to transfer this into another bowl, and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. This is 1 medium to large size onion, and I have sliced it. I'm going to add this into a bowl. Then I'm gonna take some salt. Salt is as per your taste. I'm using here about 1 teaspoon heap. Then I've taken here 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. This is 2 to 3 teaspoons of paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. We will mix this up. Now into this, I'm going to add the chicken, which is in the saffron water. We will mix it again. So now, as you can see, this is all well marinated. I'm just going to cover this up, and I'll put it in the refrigerator overnight, and I'll see you after 24 hours. Assalamu alaikum viewers, as you all know, we were making chicken jujie kebab. It's been 24 hours since our chicken has been marinating, and now I want to show you the next step. Let's first open the chicken and see what the marinated chicken looks like. So this is our marinated chicken, and all the flavors have been well absorbed by the chicken because it was resting in the fridge for 24 hours. So now we are ready to thread it in our skewers. You know, our skewers were also in the water. Now the skewers are ready. I'm going to drain out all this water. Our skewers are ready. Next, we're going to put this chicken aside, and I have just cut some tomatoes and onions into quarters. I'm taking a pan over here, and my oven is preheating right now. And while I thread these chicken in the skewers, the oven will be ready. So it's preheating on 450 degrees. We will bake it on that temperature for 15 minutes, I would say, and then we'll go from there. If after 15 minutes it needs additional cooking, we'll leave it in the oven. And if not, then we'll just leave it on broil for a few minutes. So what I'm doing right now is I'm spreading foil in my pan over here because I'm going to put these skewers like this on top. So all the juices will drip on the foil. So I'm going to start with these first. So this is also going to go in the oven along with the chicken. Next is the tomatoes. Tomatoes are done. Next step is doing the chicken. So I'm going to take these skewers. I'll put my chicken into these skewers. And make sure not to take the onion because we don't want the onion. Onions are going to cook faster than the chicken. So the onions are going to burn. So we're not putting any onion. We're just putting chicken. So this is how I'm going to put them in my skewers, and I'll do the rest of them and I'll show you once I have all of them done. So the chicken is ready to go in the oven. Oven is also ready. I'm going to place this in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. So guys, if you can see the chicken, it has been about 20 minutes now. The chicken is cooking, and all the oil and juices are like dripping down. I'm just gonna break one piece. If it looks pink from inside, it's not cooked, but to me this looks cooked. So I'm going to put it back in the oven, and I'm going to turn the broil on. We'll broil it for a few minutes. Chicken jujie kebabs are ready. I let this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and after that I broiled it for 5 to 7 minutes on low. While broiling it, my onions were kind of getting dark, so I didn't want them to burn, so I took those out and I have put this in my platter that I'm making. The tomatoes, however, are doing okay, but this right now is too hot. I want to wait for a few minutes, and then we're going to put it in this platter that I have made. So let me show you the platter that I have made here. I have made a platter with some rice, and then I have the onions, I have some salad, and I'm going to serve some green chutney, green sauce to go with it. I have some white sauce that I'm going to serve with it. We'll also put some lemon wedges on top. Not to forget our Afghani naan, Afghani bread that I made the other day. That's also going to go on the side. So let me show you the final look of this dish. I'm going to take these and put them on top of our rice. Our food is ready. I'm serving it with rice, and if you don't want rice, you can also have Afghani naan with it. So I have two options. The sauces I showed you, the salad is on the side. We have some grilled tomatoes and onion, and the chicken jujia kebabs, of course. They look very scrumptious. I'm sure they're gonna taste very scrumptious. If you like this recipe, do give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. Before going, I want to show you the closer look of this chicken jujia kebab. So with this recipe, you can easily serve, I would say, 3 to 4 people. So guys, I hope you like this recipe. Inshallah, I'll see you tomorrow again with another exciting recipe. In the meantime, do try it out. Let me know your feedback. I'll be waiting for your comments. See you soon. Allah Hafiz, everyone.